The Complete Model A Ford Restoration Manual by Pearson. A Model A Ford is completely dismantled and fully restored. We start off with introduction, description of nuts and bolts, how to properly measure any nut, any bolt properly, tools you'd need, table of contents, getting started, basic equipment you're going to need, tools you're going to need, and we start off by slowly dismantling the car. Removal of the headlights. Headlights are restored on the spot, saves the reader searching through the book trying to find different aspects of headlight restoration. Headlight wiring, removal of the horn, horn inspection, horn restoration, headlight bars, radio valance removal, hood removal, hood handles, body bolts and body blocks, where they go, what they are, what they're made of, floorboards, clutch and brake pedal removal, left and right hand drive, splash pan removal. Chapter 2, steering boxes. This covers left and right hand drive, 7 and 2-tooth steering boxes. Horn rod removal, steering wheel removal, accelerator bracket assembly removal for right hand drive, and throttle control removal for left hand drive. Seven-tooth parts inspection. How to remove quite a lot of the play from a 7-tooth box, a wee trick you can use. 2-tooth inspection, 2-tooth restoration, 2-tooth adjustment, horn rod repair, light switch inspection and restoration, light switch operating positions at the steering wheel, right hand drive starter pedal and bracket assembly. Chapter 3, top removal, removal of the dash, what's behind the dash, electrolock cable, dash lights, speedo restoration, speedometer drive, speedometer cables, cowlacing removal, preparing the gas tank for removal, windscreen stanchions, open car windscreens, wiper motors, rear vision mirror, sediment bowls, gas tanks, taps, choke rod, gas gauge disassembly and assembly, coil, terminal box, open car door hinge removal, bumpers, radiator removal, inspection, repair, removal of running boards and balances, exhaust clamp, engine and gearbox removal as one unit, front mount, rear mount, removal of the rear spring, front end disassembly, front end inspection and repair, tie rods, drag links showing components, rear hubs, front hubs, brake shoes, components of brake shoes, how they're fitted, kingpins, front end views, left and right hand drive, brake rods, clevis pins, brake equalizers, foot brake, handbrake, stoplight switches, two sorts, rear engine mounts, rear backing plate, disassembly, inspection, repair and assembly, showing you how to fit the handbrake pans and the shoes. Chapter 7 is complete diff restoration, quite a comprehensive area of diff restoration, showing you everything you want to know from disassembly, inspection, assembly, preloads and finishes. Chapter 8, pressure plate, bell housings, flywheels, ring gears, left and right hand drive bell housings, gearbox top, complete disassembly of the gearbox, what to look for, where they wear, and then complete assembly using new parts. Universals, tail light, media blasting, frame straightening, water pump, disassembly, fan blade, assembly again, distributor, parts required, fitting a new upper shaft, how the distributor works, how it's run from the camshaft through two shafts, distributor alignment with the cylinder head, starter motor switch, cutout, carburetor, complete carburetor disassembly, inspection, repair and assembly, showing you jets, a few little tricks and tips. Model A engine, giving the option of either sending to the reconditioner a short block or a long block, what to use, what to send, engine parts, valve grinds, engine components, oil pump, rear main, stopping rear main leaks, cylinder head tightening sequence. Chapter 12, fitting the flywheel housing to the block, checking for flywheel housing variation and flywheel eccentricity, easily done. Flywheel ring gears, clutches, assembly components to the frame, front engine mounts, rear engine mounts, foot brake and handbrake equalizers, the exhaust system, all the minor components, distributor, first startup, shock absorber rebuilding, everything you want to know about shocks, shock absorber links, shock absorber arms, bodywork on a roadster pickup, fitting the body, doing a dummy fit before painting, which is vital. Fitting body blocks, front fender stays, coloured rims, fitting tyres to newly painted rims, fitting of the radiator shell, bumpers, open car door latches, fitting of the dash rail and the fuel tank, rear hood hinge, fitting of cowl lacing, body rubbers, running boards and trim, tail light fitting, wiring your vehicle, left and right hand drive wiring diagrams, fitting of the headlights, installing body sockets, covering side curtains, tops, interior open car door panels, floorboards, handbrake, rumble seat step plates and support brackets, pinstriping, firewalls. Chapter 18, adjusting the brakes and brake rods, running in a new engine, body style designations, toe in and out adjustment, body numbers USA and Canadian, starting the car, a beginner's guide, spark lever usage, altering the charging rate, driving the car for the first time, troubleshooting section, a few stories. Then we've got Commercial Advertisers at the back, who I urge you to support. They're invaluable when you're doing a restoration. And that's the finish of that book. I do produce other books. I produce the right-hand drive Model A Ford, Model A Ford Haldale hydraulic suspension, which is my last book, the Beginner's Guide to the Model A Ford, and here are my 4 books. Complete Model A Ford Restoration Manual, the Right-Hand Drive Model A Ford, Beginner's Guide to the Model A Ford, and Model A Ford Haldale Hydraulic Suspension. All of these books are available from most USA Model A parts suppliers, or you can contact me for books. Thank you.